welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be bringing you this Sunset Dusk palette by Beauty Glazed. Looks like this. It took some time for it to come, I'm gonna mention that, but here are the colors. Of course I have already done the look for you guys, so that's what you guys are about to see, and all in all, I'm not mad. So here are the colors, and it has the name of the colors at the bottom, and then also they have the name of the colors on the back of it, so you won't have to, you know, when you're swatching or doing a video, you won't have to guess on what it is, although I'm more visual, so I had to see it. So it comes with 15 colors, and as well as, so it has 7 mattes, or 7 shimmers, and the rest are matte colors. So let's go on ahead and get into these swatches, shall we? So my eyes are already primed, and I'm going to be taking some Kat Von D translucent powder on a beauty sponge and applying that all over the lid. I'm coming back for good, so let them niggas know. Okay, short intermission. Now I'm going to go into the color Ginger, and I'm going to apply that up above the crease and keep building up that color until I get the color payoff that I want. Then I'm going to be going into the color Mocha, and I'm going to apply that just in the crease, or my crease, and we're going to create this kind of sunburst effect, so you just keep building up that color. Now the next color I'm going to use is Ash. It's a brown color, and that's going to go right inside my crease, so that we have a nice gradient color going on. Now I'm going to be taking my Bella Pierre and a flat brush and carving out my crease. I wanted to do a half cut crease, and as you can see, I'm taking my time doing this so I can get it just right. Now I'm going to be applying the what is that called, the translucent powder to set it, and then go right on top of that with the color Pearl, and then applying that all over my lid. Now we're going back into that same color Ash, and then we are going to be applying that on the outer V of our eye, and as well as meshing the two colors together, so we're kind of blending them together so it doesn't look like a harsh line. Then I'm going to go back into Ash and clean up that line so therefore it looks better, and make sure you subscribe. Now I'm going to go into the color Mermaid, and then that's going to be going on my brow bone, since that is like something I don't do, and I was trying to get it to focus, camera compatibilities, or compromising, or y'all know what I'm talking about. I was having difficulties, okay? Now I'm going to go into the colors Volcano and Cinnamon, and that's going just below the lash line. Now I'm going to go into Golden with a smudge brush, and I'm going to be applying that in the inner corner of my eye, as well as lining my waterline with the L'Oreal white color. Now this is my favorite color. This is Crucifix by Kat Von D, and it's this really pretty berry brown color. I thought it suited the look pretty well. So I'm just going to be lining my lips, getting it prepared for an ombre lip. And then I'm going to go into, I think that was Aesthetica. I can't remember. One of their lighter colors. So I'm going to be pushing my lips together to get it to blend well. You guys really enjoyed this video. This is my second time doing it, which is the reason why I have the voiceover. The stupid clips was blurry and my camera settings was all jacked up, so I had to do it. I gave you guys a little slow-mo because I never do that either. So apparently I done frazzled the goddamn group again. So I wanted to go with this nice brown nude lip. I use the Aesthetica, whatever. I use this. I have the other one. I like it a lot. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, rate, subscribe, and share. And if you thought this video was horrible, make sure you share it with your loved ones and tell them how bad it was. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next video.